Speaking with yourself, Darren, you obviously come across as a very confident individual. You obviously know your business very well. Now, how does that translate into investment pitches? Were you ever shy when you first started out, or have you always had a cheerful disposition of bravado?
No, I think I'm naturally a quite shy or introverted person. I think in a one-on-one situation, I'm fine. When it comes to pitching to an audience, to big groups of people, or if I'm put in a scenario with large groups of people, that is outside my comfort zone. Probably one of the best things that I've done as a company, we went through an accelerator called Ignite 100 based in Newcastle, and part of the process there, at the end of a 3-month program, we had to give demo presentations, pitches to two separate groups of investors and industry people and stuff. So one in Newcastle, one in London, and that was a cinema filled of people. So it was like quite a big crowd of people with a cinema screen as your backdrop for your
moment in the
your slides. Yeah. So like through Ignite, we went through a lot of work about pitching, and we worked with an actor who helped you on your delivery and stuff, and different techniques with dealing with nerves and things like that. But it's something that definitely it doesn't come natural to me. The thought of getting up in front of a big crowd would still, even having done that, would still make me very nervous. And
so you're doing all right on the live stream?
We'll see.